Eggs are one of the most powerful and affordable superfoods in the world. But many people ask, is a boiled egg healthier or is a fried egg better? Let's break it down clearly so you can choose what's best for your body. Benefits of boiled eggs. 1. High protein, low calories. Boiled eggs are rich in high-quality protein that helps build muscles, repair tissues, and keep you full longer. Because no oil is used, boiled eggs are lower in calories, making them ideal for weight loss. 2. Great for heart health. Boiled eggs contain healthy fats and no extra oil, which helps control cholesterol levels when eaten in moderation. They support heart health without adding unnecessary saturated fat. 3. Best for digestion. Boiled eggs are easy to digest, especially for people with stomach issues. They don't irritate the stomach and are perfect for kids, elderly people, and patients. 4. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Boiled eggs provide vitamin A for eye health, vitamin D for strong bones, vitamin B12 for brain and energy, iron and zinc for immunity. 5. Ideal for diet and fitness. Fitness trainers often recommend boiled eggs because they increase fat burning, reduce hunger, support lean muscle growth. Benefits of fried eggs. 1. More energy and taste. Fried eggs are more flavorful and satisfying. They provide quick energy due to slightly higher fat content, making them great for breakfast or active days. 2. Better nutrient absorption. When fried in healthy oils like olive oil or butter in small amounts, the body absorbs fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K more efficiently. 3. Supports muscle growth. Fried eggs still offer complete protein, which helps with muscle repair and strength, especially for gym goers. 4. Improves satiety. The added fat keeps you full longer, which may reduce unnecessary snacking during the day. 5. Mood and brain support. Egg yolk contains choline, which supports brain health, memory, and mood. Frying enhances flavor, making regular intake easier. Boiled egg versus fried egg. Which is better? Boiled eggs are best if you want weight loss, heart health, easy digestion, clean, low-calorie nutrition. Fried eggs are better if you want more taste, higher energy, muscle building, better vitamin absorption. Best advice: eat boiled eggs for daily health and enjoy fried eggs occasionally using minimal healthy oil. Final verdict: eggs are healthy in both forms. The difference is how often and how they're cooked. Boiled eggs equals cleaner and lighter. Fried eggs equals tastier and more filling. Balance is the key to a healthy life.